GoHighLevel is packed with automation tool that can completely change the way you run your business. But the question is, which tools actually matter the most? Because honestly, GoHighLevel gives you so many features that can feel a little overwhelming when you are just starting out. So in this video, we are breaking down the most useful automation tool that every business needs. The ones that can help you to save time, close more clients, and grow faster without working harder. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, consider subscribing, and remember, if you use our link from the description, you will get the 30 days free trial, access to live bootcamps, and exclusive bonuses to help you to get started with GoHighLevel. Alright, now get back to the video. The first tool you will use the workflow. This is the heart of GoHighLevel automation. It's where you design your sequence like automatic follow-up, email campaign, and lead nurturing step. You can set the trigger such as when someone fill out a form or book an appointment and then decide what happens next. Maybe it sends an email, add them to your CRM, or assign a task for your team. The best part is it's just drag and drop. It's very simple. You don't need any technical skill and it feels really natural once you try it. Next, we have the pipeline automation. This tool help you to track your lead through different stages of your sales process. From new lead to the contacted, proposal sent, closed, the in process. So you can move them because this is an Kanban board. So you can even create the automatic action when a lead move from one stage to another. For example, when someone books a call, GoHighLevel can send a confirmation message and automatically move them to the next step. It keeps your business organized and prevents you from losing the leads in the process. Now let's talk about some SMS and email automation. Probably the most exciting part for most business. GoHighLevel lets you send follow-up text, personalized email, and even ringless voicemails automatically. This helps you to stay in touch with your lead constantly even when you are not online. You can also set up the conditions like if they open this email, then send them a second message, or if they don't reply, send a reminder. It feels personal but runs completely on autopilot. Another underrated but powerful feature is the appointment automation. You can connect your calendar, and when someone books a meeting, GoHighLevel will automatically send them reminders, follow-ups, and even thank you message afterward. This alone can save hours of time in every week and reduce the missed call dramatically. Finally, we have the reputation and review automation. After someone who makes a purchase or finishes a service, GoHighLevel can automatically send them a text or email asking for a feedback or a Google review. That small automation can build the trust, grow your reputation, and bring in more client over the time. So to wrap it up, these GoHighLevel automation tools, workflow, pipeline, email and SMS campaign, the appointment reminders, and the review request are like the 5 gears that can keep your business engine running smoothly. Once you set up them, they work silently in the background while you focus on serving your client and building your brand. And if you are ready to test them, make sure to check the link in the description for the free trial and the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonus to help you get started right away. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.